IDizarma, Dooni Studio.
Accra, Ghana. Iri makonde iri bonko ni taifa ya mberi katonandi. Iri bonko ni wangaroga Zarmakoy Ghana. Alhaji Musah Yahaya Yandu Zanta Ghana labu kulu zarma bonko no Sarkin Zabarma wangana. His Royal Highness Chief Alhaji Musah Yahaya Yandu the third, the paramount king of the Zabarma one of Ghana. Great Accra Zabarma chief, president of the National Council of Zabarma Chiefs of Ghana. The king of ability, responsibility, and capability. The warrior king, bonko ni wangaro. Musah Yahaya Yandu Zanta Nina bonko ni taraitu no Nikaiga ginka te bonko ni Yusuf Nyandu Sintina Irikwe mansuji ya mayafa Ni baba mote bonko ni Yahaya Yandu Ihinkanta Irikwe mansuji ya mayafa Amen. So kalni Alhaji Musah Yahaya Yandu Zanta ni sabura no hunku na Ghana labu Zarma ikulu tenya fo baba fo ni sabura no hunku na Ghana labu te Zarma ganda da Zarma tarai irikwe minno alo marukuku chiri zambarai. King of ability, responsibility, and capability. Bonko ni wangaro. Alhaji Musah Yahaya Yandu Zanta Ghana labu kulu zarma bonko no. His Royal Highness Chief Alhaji Musah Yahaya Yandu the third, the paramount king of the Zabarma one of Ghana. Greater Accra Zabarma chief, president of the National Council of Zabarma Chiefs of Ghana.